I'm already sitting on a 300% gain in Xiaomi, and instead of cashing out, I'm buying even more. Sounds crazy. Let me show you the reasoning for why this move makes sense. But first, hi, I'm Klaus. This is Gain Quote Profit, where we do transparent investing in stock and crypto. And if you guys like the content, please subscribe and give the video a thumbs up. So we'll just start off by looking back into where I did the first buy and where I've done the second buy on the technicals here. And after that, we will take a look at why I believe that Xiaomi will continue moving up and the fundamental part of that. And we'll finish off just with a little technical part. And the last thing we'll do in the video is just I'll show you how you can gain access to this transparent investing, where you can look at my performance on the portfolio. You can see every buy, every sell, you can see everything, and I'll show you how you can gain that access. So let's just let me just show you. This is the weekly graph or chart I'm showing you right now. I bought this here back in February 2024, and now I've bought it again up here, and that is of course because I think it will just keep on getting more and more upside. But the main reason for that is actually that if you look into Xiaomi, they they produce smartphones where they are number 1 in China and number 3 in the world. But the biggest thing, they do a lot more than just smartphones. They also do electrical cars and accessories to homes and so on. But the big thing is electrical cars. And electrical cars, actually, just to show you that they have just launched this new model here, and they had an overwhelming interest with over 200,000 orders recorded within 3 minutes of its introduction. Meaning there is a big demand for their cars, and I think and I believe that it's going to be a big business for Xiaomi, and they're going to generate a lot of net income and sale and so on and that. Now let me show you what this is. This is a picture of Xiaomi, where the blue line here is the stock price, the development of that. The green line is showing the net income, and if I push it over here, the blue line is showing the sales. And why this is interesting is, let me just show you, give you an example from Nvidia. If you look at the net income and the price on the stock, you will see that it went just below net income, then it pushed up again, it went below again, pushed up again, it went below, pushed up, down, pushed up, down, pushed up. Meaning that, net income, really important, and you will always have the price on the stock following the net income. And as you can see, if the sale is good as well, then everything's fine, you're gonna get back. And that's also the case for Xiaomi, I believe. And as you can see, in 23 they actually started making good net income and good sales again. So that's one of the things I'm looking into, saying, okay, we're not done. I believe that the sales is gonna skyrocket and the net income is gonna skyrocket in the future because of the electrical vehicles. And also, well, the next thing telling me why I believe that this stock is gonna just keep on getting up is the seasonality. Because what is very interesting about this chart, and I'm going to show you now, is that, let me just put on a 3 and let me move to 7 here. So what this show us is that the red line is the current year. This is the development of this year, how it's go up and down, and the yellow is for the average of 3 years and the going up and down, the development, and the blue one is for 5 years. That tells me that the correlation, meaning that the red, this year correlates moving in the same direction with almost 70%. And if you look back 5 years in average, it correlates 66% right. Meaning that they are almost always moving the same way, at least almost 70% of the time when looking at the yellow and the red, right? But the interesting thing is that I can do this, saying now I'm just gonna look into the future. See what will the development be for the stock, looking into the history of this data. So we're looking into seasonality. And if I just scroll down now, see if I move this here, the numbers will change. And if we say that we had just bought right now, and if we look, there is a 66.7% chance that the year is going to end up giving a more than 50% profit, because we've gone long here. And if we look the numbers from the 5 year, there's a 60% chance that we'll get 61.6% in profit. If we were to short, it would only be 33.3%, and we'll only gain 7.1, and so on, right? So this also tells me it's, let's just buy this and follow the history, because it 70% right correlation, so not that bad. Another thing, looking into fundamentals, I would just like to say we have, after 21, we started getting generating some more sales, and also net income started to increase. Let me just go down to quarter. See, this is really looking nice. This is from 23 just going up in this in sales, and net income just going up. So that's really looking good as well. So that's kind of the fundamentals about why I believe that Xiaomi will just keep on going up in price on stock. But if we look into to the chart of Xiaomi, there's also another thing that's telling me that, because we've just bought in right here, well, it's telling me that we're going to go up. And the reason for that is that every time RSI here down here, they hit the bottom right here, then what happens is that we go up. See, and if you look further back to last time it was down hitting, it was right here where we bought it last time. Looking back again, last time it was down, touching it, it went up, and again it went up, and again it went up. So that's also kind of giving me a good clue that this is a good time to buy, I believe, at least. And that is actually it. That's why I've just bought Xiaomi, and I believe there is much to gain on this. Now, the last thing I want to share with you on this video is how to gain access to full transparency of my investing in stock and crypto. So if you go to my YouTube channel, Gain Good Profit, you will in the description see a link, and that link is for a link to Gain Good Profit. Will open up my eToro Claus Larsen Gain Good Profit account, and here you'll be able to see the performance. You will see that in 25, that's now 9%, 24, 17%, 23, 9%. I started in the middle of 23, just to saying my risk score and a lot of good info. You'll be able to see my posts in here as well. Here I'm writing why I just sold Tencent and with a 70% gain, and so on. You'll be able to see the stats, looking into every year, actually saying that this year 25 January, and the development, and in 24 and 23, and you'll see that I have mostly stocks, a little bit of ETFs, the risk, saying that Duolingo is actually giving me the most risk in my portfolio, and so on and so on. Here you can see, comparing it to the S&P 500, you will see that the blue line, that's me, is outperforming the S&P 500 as it is right now, at least looking into 1 year. You will be able also to see the full portfolio and the performance of that, profit loss, and so on. And you can also go into history, to see what I've sold, right? And that is actually it. So I'm finishing off now, and I hope that you enjoyed the video, and if you did, please subscribe to my channel and give the video a thumbs up. Thank you. Bye for now.